take your academic research out of the classroom and into the wild. With GVI Research Fellowships, you get the incredible opportunity to conduct research and contribute to conservation projects on the ground. Join ongoing research or work on your own independent project. Use your findings to complete your thesis or dissertation and get the chance to author or co-author a scientific paper. Live and work on research stations in protected habitats. Study rare species, get access to existing datasets, gather original data, and contribute to conservation projects with local organizations on the ground. With over 25 years of research experience behind us, GVI's work has been cited on Google Scholar over 1,000 times. You'll contribute to that legacy and build your own. We match you with a relevant research supervisor. You'll get topic support, data guidance, and mentorship before, during, and after your fieldwork. Develop sought-after industry skills. Receive career coaching, get certificates, a LinkedIn reference, and a career guarantee. Don't just write a research paper, make an impact. Join a research fellowship with a GVI Foundation Grant that could cover up to 80% of your program fees. That include food, accommodation, training, and materials. Join us to help protect the planet through conservation research. Apply today.